Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. This tutorial in Microsoft Outlook, I just want to talk to you about the view you have on your screen. So we're going to go through a bunch of little things in this tutorial, but this just give you some ideas on the way you can set up your Microsoft Outlook. So you'll notice I have 4 emails here. The first email, Test A, here in the bottom of the screen is a preview of that email. Now, you might not like seeing it down at the bottom. So if you come up and click on the View tab in Microsoft Outlook, you can change the way you view things. So if you come over here to the Reading Pane option, click on the drop down, you'll see right now bottom is selected. If I click on right, it will throw it over here to the right. This little bar right here, the gray bar, if I click on that and hold and drag in, I can make this bigger, but I start making things smaller over here. When I look at this header section, if I put my pointer on any of the lines, I can drag them left or right to make them a little bit bigger. So one of the things you can do is you can change the view. So let's go back there, go back to the Reading Pane. And again, I can do right, bottom, or off so I don't see it at all. Now, it's just a personal preference. I prefer to have it at the bottom. For the moment, I'm going to leave them right there. Another thing you can do with these messages is what's called the message preview. The message preview will allow you to see some of the content of that email. I don't like this. I keep it off, but let me show you 3 lines just to illustrate what it can look like. I'm just going to do this folder because I only want to do this. And see, now I get a lot of stuff in here that to me is confusing. I don't want to see this. Really, all I want to see is who it's from, the time, and the subject. That's all I really want to see. So I'm going to go back to the message preview and turn it off. And I'm going to do this folder. And if you have multiple folders, you can turn it on or off for all those folders. So what I'd urge you to do is this. Go into the View tab and look around this area. Click on some things, see what they can do, and organize it for you. You can do a lot of little things that I'm not going to spend a lot of time on here. You can, decide, do you want to see this folder pane? You can shrink it in by clicking on this little arrow. It shrunk it in so you don't see all your folders or different folders that come with Outlook. If I bring it out, it will allow me to bring it out. If I click away from it, it will send it right back in. If I bring it out and pin it right here, it will keep it out. I like to see this because I like to see the folders so I can move things to them by simply dragging and dropping them. So this is the point. Come and look at the View tab, explore it, and if you get stuck with anything, reach back to me and I'll create a tutorial about it. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye now.